Expert Advisor costs $1,000, but you only get one measly license. I'm talking about the Atomic Trader by LeapFX, which has been revamped recently and currently costs $997, which gives you one license for one account, and the maximum that you can have in that account is $50,000. I have been testing this Expert Advisor for 149 days, and this is on an IG demo account that started off with $10,000 and is currently up at $1,366, and the drawdown is under $400, which is quite impressive, giving a total return of 13.6% and only 0.7% drawdown. This account is trading at 0.01 lot size, which is the smallest lot size, and you can see it trades on 6 different currency pairs. This is my MT4 terminal, and I am running this on an IG Derma account where the spreads aren't that good. So if you have an account with much better spreads, then you will see better results. And the EA is set up on 6 different charts, all on the 15-minute time frame. And these are the settings that come with the Atomic Trader. You can see I've got it here at 0.01 lot size. Currently, all the open trades are at 0.01 lot size with a current floating profit and loss of $4. But the lot size can vary. So if I head over to the account history and sort by lot size, you can see the biggest one we've seen historically is 0.14 on the Euro US. So let's open that brand new chart. I hold shift and drag this up above to see all the different trades that happened so far, and you can see over here is a group of trades that all sell trades as the price is going up, and eventually we all close out in profit right about here. Aside from that trade, let's just scroll back to see a few more trades. Here is another bunch of buy trades that ended up in profit after a downtrend. And scrolling back some more, here's a big profit here. This is a sell trade and exited here with a reasonably big profit, relatively speaking. Unfortunately, my single license is taken up with this one demo account. To bypass the licensing restrictions, I am using Anton's Mirror Trading Manager. This tool does require a VPS, so I've got mine running on forexvps.net. This is what the application looks like once you've set up a couple of masters and a few slaves. So you can see here I've got 2 masters, one for the Atomic Trader by LeapFX and one also by LeapFX, the King Robot. Below that, I've got it copying to my trading.com account, one to a couple of FTMO accounts, and one small IC Markets live account. I'll show you how I've got the master set up. I'll click the little blue person icon up the top right hand side, which brings you up with a window. You can see I've got master ticked, and I've just called this group the Atomic Trader group, and this name is Atomic. You've got IG and my username and password and the broker IP address. I'll show you how to use this one. So there's a really cool database, and if you select auto from database, and we want to filter it by our broker names, IG-demo, you can see that there are a total of 5 different servers. So if I click test connection on the first one, it will give us the ping. So this one is pretty good at 16 millisecond ping. The second one is 15 millisecond ping. I'm just going to go through down all these and find the one with the lowest ping, and we're going to go with that one. That was pretty good at 9.9 millisecond ping, and the 5th one doesn't seem to work, so I'm going to go with the second last one at 9.9 second ping and select yes. For the settings, the master is pretty straightforward because I'm not doing anything fancy. I'm not filtering out by magic numbers or anything. So I've left this one blank, but you can see where you can filter it out. So instead of sending all the trades to the slave, we're only sending a handful of trades. And for symbols, I've got it set just to the list of symbols that the Atomic Trader trades. For my slave account, I'm choosing a platform called trading.com, which it gives you 5 different levels of challenges, and in stage 1, which is where I'm at, you get 80% profit share once you hit 20% of the account. And the end goal here is regulated hedge fund capital. This is my MT4 account. Now you don't need to have this installed on a VPS because the software will connect for you. I'm just showing you here for illustration purposes only. And you can see on the 13th of May, I put in $1,000, and trading.com, they will put in their share, which is a $9,000, which makes this a $10,000 account. And I started my trade copier on the 17th of May 2024, and so far we've made a total profit of just under 1% in under 10 days. Because I am trading this account fairly conservatively, I'm aiming to hit the 20% profit target in a few months. I am currently at stage 1, where I put in $1,000 of my own money, giving me access to a $10,000 live account. And that's all the money I ever have to put in. Once I hit 20% profit target, which is $2,000, I will receive 80%, which is $1,600 in my pocket. And the $1,000 that is in the trader incubator account is still my money, so I can choose to end trading with trading.com at any time, take back my money, pocket my profits, and run off at any time. However, if you choose to progress through the further and further stages, you can see the final payment at stage 5 is $20,000 in your pocket if you're able to make 20% consistently throughout the 5 different stages. Almost 1% returns in under 10 days is fairly impressive, but remember that this is a reasonably high risk expert advisor, and it can have high drawdowns at times. So if I open up my VPS again, I've got the follower account here open with their settings tab, and if you take a look down below for targeted drawdown / take profit, this account started at $10,000, so the maximum I want to risk on this account is 5%, which is $500. So if I see anything bigger than $500 worth of drawdown, I'm going to stop trading this account. Or if the equity reaches below 9,500, stop trading the account. Or if it hits 20%, just over 20%, also stop trading this account. So there is equity protection inbuilt in the trade copier. I'll leave a link down below to both Atomic Trader and the trade copier, which comes in both a free version and a paid version. If you're like me and you're tired of the shady prop firm industry, where they ban you, they deny payouts, and do all sorts of dodgy things to prevent paying you out, and you want to hear more about trading.com, watch this video right here, where they only have 2 rules. Don't hit the stop loss, which is 10%, and try and aim for take profit, which is 20%. Easy.